This is a portion of a job completed last week, where the customer wanted an upgrade from their old Fujitsu duct mini split units, where they were leaking refrigerant from their coils. We kept their old refrigerant pipes as they weren't leaking, and kept the wires and drains as well because they still worked. We also reused some of their old return and supply ducts, but ultimately had to build our own as well. There was 4 indoor units and 1 condenser unit outside. We installed TOSIT unit. In the video you can see us reusing the old ducts they had to use with the new unit. We connected them properly as well as fully insulating and sealing them. After we connected the pipes, wires, drains and ducts, we had to test for leaks in the refrigerant pipes using nitrogen gas as it's not flammable, and once we were done we had to install the thermostats so the ACs could be used by our client. Contact us for a free quote on AC installs, upgrades, repairs or maintenance.